Due to the limited screen size of mobile phones and for a better entertainment experience, people usually want to run Android applications or games on a larger screen. This is why Android emulators are so popular. But using an Android emulator to achieve mobile control often leaves a lot to be desired. Solutions? AirDroid Personal is the best remote control tool to run Android apps on a PC without an emulator. Its beginner-friendly and easy-to-use features don't require you to hack or root your device. What's more, AirDroid Personal's remote control features can run smoothly even on low-end PCs. Here I'll show you 2 ways to run Android apps on a PC without an emulator with AirDroid Personal. First way, using AirDroid Personal Desktop to run Android apps on PC. Step 1. Download and sign in to the same AirDroid account both on your Android device and PC. Second, enable AirDroid Remote feature as shown on your phone. Third, on the AirDroid Personal PC application, click on the telescope sign button from the panel. At last, tap the remote control button to access your phone and run Android apps. Second way is using AirDroid Web solution. Step 1. Sign in to your AirDroid account on the AirDroid Personal app. Second, visit the AirDroid website on your PC, and then scan the QR code to establish a connection. Last, once connected, simply click the remote control icon from the interface to control your apps. That's our solution for how to use the Android app on PC without emulator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.